Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 features of this FPGA board that makes this board one of the best FPGA boards for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So which board is this? This is a Max 1000 FPGA board by Trends Electronics. It is based on Intel Max 10 FPGA. So feature number 1. Amount of resources it has. This board has 8000 logic elements and 378 kilobits of on-chip memory. I think that is a decent amount of resources for a beginner. In that amount of resources, you can do most of the beginner level FPGA projects. I recently finished my 8-bit CPU series. You can fit 20 cores of that 8-bit CPU in this board. I think this amount of resources should be enough for all the beginner level projects. Feature number 2. This board has 8 MB of SD RAM and 8 MB of flash memory. So if 378 kilobit of on-chip memory is not sufficient for your project, then you can make use of that 8 MB of SD RAM on board. You can store your logic and user data in 8 MB of flash. Feature number 3. This board has a lot of I/O. It has two user buttons, 8 onboard LEDs, 1 PMOD port, and its I/O pins are compatible with Arduino MKR. So you can use various PMOD modules available in market with PMOD port, and also you can use many of the Arduino MKR shields that are available. You can use both of these ports to add various sensors and shields like a GPS module or a SIM card module to your system. Feature number 4. This board has an onboard accelerometer which is connected to FPGA using SPI interface. So you can experiment with SPI communication and maybe write your own SPI module. Even one of the demo comes with a spirit level program which makes use of this accelerometer and shows spirit level using onboard LEDs. And the last feature, the price of this board. It costs only 22 euros here in Europe. In US, I think it's less than $30. If you're a student and cannot really afford a board like Basis 3, then I think this is a very good board to get you started and take your first steps out of the simulation world and into the physical implementation of your logic. So that's it. I think these 5 reasons make this board really very good starting point for the people who are just getting started in the world of FPGAs. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. If you know any other board which is comparable to this board in terms of price and resources, let me know in the comments down below and I will take a look into that board. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and see you in the next video.